Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly integrate or connect your Klaviyo account, as well as the functions like sign up forms to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys have both your Shopify open and you're logged in as an administrator, as well as your Klaviyo. So here's what the dashboards look like for both platforms. You want to head over to Klaviyo first, because this is where we're going to add the integration to connect to Shopify. So to do so, you'd want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen, and here it is. And then you want to click on integrations. So I believe I already have both Klaviyo and my Shopify store connected, but if you don't see it here, you want to click on add integration found at the very top right of the screen, like so. And then from the selection, you want to look for Shopify. So right away, I don't think it's shown here. So an easy way to find it would be to click on the search box that says search integrations and just type down Shopify. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to click on it as normal. And from here, you basically want to fill up the form, like your store URL. So your store URL could be taken from the settings tab. So if you guys go here, here's the URL for our store. It's the one under your profile icon. So once you have that, copy it, paste it here, like so. Then you basically want to configure all of the settings that you want to add from Klaviyo over to your Shopify. So here you have an option to add a subscriber list, like so, the newsletters, or you can uncheck this overall and click on connect to Shopify. So this way, you guys will be able to add sign-up forms that you create on Klaviyo over to Shopify. So any imports, I should say any forms that you have registered to your Klaviyo account would be imported to your Shopify when people buy from your store or participate for a project or a survey. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.